Hello everyone, this is Chantal from glutenfreecooking123.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make Tarator. Tarator is a sauce that we use on many Lebanese dishes like Falafel, which I have shown you how to do in the previous video, and also Shawarma and all these delicious foods that just need this sauce drastically. So they are delicious on their own, but definitely this sauce makes them 100 times better. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. And Tarator is basically just a tahini sauce with some lemon juice and garlic and salt. That's it. It's super easy, so let's do it. I'm a little bit low on the lemon juice, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure to see how much lemon juice I have, and then I'll measure how much tahini I'm going to use. And before you squeeze your lemon, just roll it on the counter a little bit. It will help release the juices out of the lemon. I love lemons. I just love eating them with salt. And I like to rinse this right away so that the lemon pulp doesn't dry out on it and it becomes really hard to clean. Now we're going to measure to see how much this is. It looks like maybe a half a cup, I think. More like a third. Yeah, that's a third of a cup. Okay. That was a big lemon. Now I'm going to put this into a bowl. And I'm going to measure a third of a cup of tahini sauce. And I like to stir it a little bit before I use it, because sometimes the oil separates on top from the sesame particles. Do you guys like eating tahini on its own? I do. Not too much. It's kind of weird, but I like its taste. It's delicious. Mix this in just a little. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. If I had fresh garlic, I would use that, but I don't. And half a teaspoon of salt. I also have here a third of a cup of water that I'm going to add slowly just to make sure that I get the consistency that I want, because you can make this sauce as runny or as thick as you like. I want it to be a little bit on the thicker side because I'm going to be using it for falafel. So I'm just going to add in the water slowly, a little bit at a time. You can make it as sour and as salty as you like. It really is up to your taste. I like it to be more on the sour side and the salty side just because that's how I am. I like things to be sour and salty. So you can adjust this recipe to however you like it to be. So if you like it less sour, just add more water and less lemon juice. Did I say less sour? Yeah, less sour. Okay, so I think this is runny enough for me. So that was about more like a quarter cup. Now I'm going to taste it and see if this is how I like it. It's good, but I want more salt. So I think I'm going to add another half a teaspoon of salt. And I do want a little more of that lemony flavor. I still have some lime in the fridge, so I'm going to use that. Now it is sour enough, but I like it to be a little more sour. Okay, I'm not going to use all half of the lime, just a little bit of that. And that's a pretty good consistency, as you guys can see. Oh, and the lime just makes it smell so good. I love lime. I love lemons, but lime is just, it adds that unique flavor. It is more tangy than lemon. Okay, so now we're going to give it a taste test to see if it is the way how I like it. Added too much salt. We can fix that. Just going to add a little bit of water. A bit of lemon juice. It's very easy to fix. Or lime juice, I should say. And a tiny bit of the, what do you call it? Tahini. And it's really easy to fix, and I shouldn't have added that much salt all at once, but I'm crazy about salt. If this was a different dish, I wouldn't have added that much all at once. I would have added a little at a time, because it's very easy to add too much salt, but you can't take it out. And it's a good consistency. I'm gonna try it again. Perfect. All right, so this is it. Tahini sauce. Kids. And as you can see, it's super easy to make. This is its color. Kids growling in the background. I'm going to be serving it with some falafel. Yes, I forgot what I was making. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see the falafel video, I will put the link for that in the iCards, and I will also link, you will see it at the end of this video and in the description box below. You can click on it, it will take you to that video. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new and it was useful to you. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications of whenever I upload new videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button, so that would help just more people see this video, so that they can also learn how to make gluten-free food and delicious Mediterranean food. This recipe will also be up on my blog with the full coherent measurements and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next episode.